Hello friends, let's do some study.
Welcome to Fun with Kids with Happy and Leo.
Here I would like to share with you few DIY worksheets for kids of age group 5 to 7. These worksheets I have designed according to the syllabus of kindergarten and first grade. This may be helpful for some parents who are homeschooling their kids. So let's start. So these are skip counting worksheets. Here kids will solve the skip counting by 2, like 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. I have included numbers till 50. As you can see, you can increase the numbers till 100. Like in kindergarten, kids have learned the numbers till 100, so they can count the skip counting by 2 till 100. Next, skip counting by 5. So here as well, I have given till 50. You can give till 100 numbers, like 5 to 100. Okay. Next part is skip counting 10 to 100. Group counting. So here the group of 10 or 5. Okay. So kids will like skip counting. They will count like this: 10, 20, 30. You can count and verify.
Like this one.
Yes. But you can count here if it's 10 or not. First verify it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah.
So how many total?
30 because 10 plus 10 plus 10.
Yes, 10, 20, 30. The skip counting application problems.
1.
Next. This is also skip counting of 5. You have solved this. 5.
5, 10, 15, 20.
Right. Next is skip counting application. Same thing. Here are the group of some diagrams. You have to count in grouping. Like if it's 10, 20, 30. These are the skip counting application.
10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 75. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. My favorites. These are my favorites.
So what you have to do here? Group following numbers as even and odd category. What is this? 10?
10 is an even number.
So you cut this number and write in even section.
Okay.
Categorized as even. Like this you do rest all numbers. Yes. Here I have taken the worksheets for even and odd, like multiple times. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can see, and the first one, that means total 5 worksheets. The reason I have given multiple worksheets for even and odd like that, I just wanted to show that you can like design your worksheets in different way to make it more interesting. No, read it. This ball
Only goes
rolls on even numbers. Make a tick mark on where it rolls and cross out where it does not roll. The number which ends with 2, 4, 6, 8 and 0 are even numbers, and odd numbers. Right. The numbers which are ending with
1, 3, 7,
1, 3,
1, 3, 5, 7, 9.
7, 9. Right. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. The numbers ending with 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 are odd numbers. So next worksheet is our same even and odd.
Yeah.
Can you read this?
Yeah. Is the number of flowers even or odd?
Okay, good. The next worksheet on even or odd is identify the numbers as even or odd. You can make a tick mark. What is this? 21 is?
Like here.
21 is even or odd?
Odd.
Odd. So make a tick mark in front of odd. 21 number.
Yeah. Next page.
Yes.
Oh.
It is the another way of designing the worksheet for even and odd.
Okay.
Here I have constructed 6 worksheets for even and odd, just to give an idea. Okay, so these are before and next. You have to write the numbers, even, right, even or odd, which comes next to it or before to it. Okay, so write down 4.
This is 9. Oh.
No, even number. Even number after 8.
8 is 10.
10, right. 4, 9, and after 11, the odd number.
Next page.
Now the next set of worksheets are English worksheets. I have included just 2 topics for maths worksheets. Those are skip counting and even and odd. This is just because kids gets very bored with the multiple worksheets. So 2 topics per day are fine. Starting with English worksheets. For English worksheets as well, I have chosen just 2 topics. First is consonants and vowels. Okay. So Happy, do you know what is meant by vowels? Which are vowels?
A, E, I, O, U.
Right. So carry on. Can you read this?
Yeah. Sort the following letters as consonants and vowels.
So you have to read the letter and group it into consonants and vowel.
No vowels coming.
So can you read the vowel again?
A, E, I, O, U.
Right. So all vowels are covered.
Oh, circle the vowel in following sentence.
Good. Circle the vowel in following sentence. So you have to circle each vowel. You can take a color pencil or color pen, whatever you do. So moving to the next worksheets.
Rhyming words, I love rhyming words.
We are done with consonant and vowel. And the second topic in English worksheet is rhyming words.
Rhyming words is my favorite.
Can you read this
Yeah.
instruction?
Match the following rhyming words.
Okay.
Like this, like hats, mats.
Or the next type of rhyming worksheet you can design is which word does not rhyme. Here are the set of
Oh, circle the word that is not rhyme.
Yep. Here are the set of 3 words. From it, circle the or cross out the one word which does not rhyme. It's same like which does not belong, which does not rhyme. Next pattern of worksheet. Same rhyming words. Write 2 rhyming words for each.
Like
Okay.
hats, mats,
And
rat.
rat. Next.
Oh,
These are hand and eye coordination. These types of worksheets are specially designed for increasing the concentration in kid. What you have to do, you have to copy the pattern, the color pattern.
yay.
Okay, same pattern I have given here. You have to color the same. Okay?
Well,
Start
I
it.
don't need a pencil for this. I just need markers right here. Done.
Good.
Is
So
there one
next
more?
set of hand and eye coordination worksheet is
Oh, yay!
what you have to do.
Color the block below with the color of kite belongs.
Right, so you have to solve this maze. You have to go through this thread.
Yeah, is
Good.
there one more? Oh, yay!
Match the
Is
following.
Is this hand and eye coordination?
Yes, it's in the same thing. You have to look carefully the direction of eyes where they are looking
It's
and
hand
match.
eyes.
Yes,
Okay.
which direction?
Is this direction?
Yes, that is right.
It's going up. Is there one more?
The last one.
Trace the shape and write its name.
Okay,
Okay.
trace it. Trace with pencil.
Okay.
Yes,
Next one. What
done.
is-
Done.
That's
Done. Today we have covered the topic skip counting, group counting, skip counting application, even and odd. There are 6 worksheets for even and odd. They were English, we have done consonants and vowel, rhyming words, and hand and eye coordination worksheets for increasing the concentration.